Collision repair at Franklin Technology is designed to teach juniors and seniors basic collision repair entry-level skills so they can acquire a job. So a typical day at the shop is just basically the same thing you're going to have in a regular body shop. Students are putting their hands on the car, they're getting their hands dirty. It's just a typical body shop type environment. We are set up to spray solvent-based or water-based paint. Students are spraying more of the waterborne style paint now, typically to protect the environment more. Collision repair program at Franklin Technology offers a welding certification for the students through ICAR. The students can earn that certification by performing ICAR type welds. I am an ICAR instructor for steel welding certification, so that's one of the certifications that the students can acquire. If there's structural problems with the vehicle, we put it up on the frame machine, we measure everything out, and we take that car all the way to final detail. So after the car comes out of the detail shop, we have students, nib sand, buff, polish, and do the final detail on the vehicle. We spend about 25% of our time in the classroom going over the ICAR curriculum. Students actually earn ICAR certifications through the program. I like to hang the certificates up in the classroom just to get the students more involved. It does give them a sense of pride to see that certification on the wall, and it makes a better technician out of that person. If we were considered for this grant, I would like to see an aluminum workstation, because we can't mix aluminum and steel together because of galvanic corrosion. A self-piercing rivet gun would be nice to actually be able to put those aluminum body panels on. And then another benefit for us would be a paint simulator. That way every kid could actually get his hands on a paint gun and actually do some spraying. We've got some outstanding students in the program. I'm very proud of them. We've actually won state contests the last 3 years in the row, and we have students going to nationals. So this is a very good program. I just would like it to be top-notch, and this equipment could really shore up our program and make it top-notch.